KPJ family is part of the Texas Department of Agriculture through Art What You Eat contest. I'm here at Reed Mock to see how students showcase their creative minds to illustrate eating healthy.
So can I have at this time all our amazing cafeteria ladies from Dr. Reed Mock Elementary, please come over here or wave. Si pueden salir por favor las señoras y señores de la cafetería. Move your posters!
Today I'm here at Reed Mock Elementary, and here I was discussing with the kids what my You Art What You Eat competition piece. Last year I won first place in the state of Texas. This was my original piece, and then later on they transferred it with a graphic designer professionally designing it. So now my project is now in over 8,000 schools throughout the state of Texas. Remember how it was the Save the Day, so heroes save the day, right? So you know how when you take off a banana peel, it seems like a cake, right? It's just
Las señoras de la cafetería, por favor.
Switch with them.
Ellas vengan a la